In this video, we will focus on some tips and tricks that will help you for your examination. Divide your time for each section as per your requirement and make sure you follow your plan sincerely. Use the target versus time method, wherein you should ensure that you complete your weekly targets and they act as milestones to your preparation. This will help you inculcate a sense of discipline and reduce the exam stress. Practice maths daily for at least half an hour and ensure that you have covered all the topics. Don't just memorize the formulas, try to understand the basic theory behind a concept and you'll crack the math sector easily. The English language section on the NCH MCT JEE is a very scoring one, and it absolutely depends upon how well versed you already are with this section. Start revising all the grammar concepts, brush up your vocabulary by reading newspaper and daily articles. Practice reading and analyzing passages and you will be able to ace this section easily. Solve mock tests which will help you find your strengths and weaknesses. For that, you can check the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work. The link of the app is given in the description. So if you find the content of this video relevant, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.